1. Raspberries and strawberries. Berries are called the superfruit because they are rich in antioxidants, vitamins and fiber. 3/4 of a cup of berries contains only 62 calories and 16 grams of carbohydrates, and strawberries do not raise blood sugar because they contain fructose. You can eat berries or strawberries with yogurt. 2 cherries. 1 cup of cherries contains 78 calories and 19 grams of carbohydrates, which is a good choice if eaten fresh, and avoid canned types with added sugar, as they are harmful because they contain high sugars. Recent studies indicate that eating cherries may be beneficial in treating diabetes by improving the body's insulin secretion functions. 3. Peaches. Peaches contain vitamin A, vitamin B, potassium, and fiber. Research indicates that the soluble fiber found in peaches helps control blood sugar and raises the effectiveness of insulin response. Peach slices can be added to milk with a pinch of cinnamon or ginger. 4. Apricots. 1 apricot contains 17 calories and 4 grams of carbohydrates. If you eat 4 apricots, which is equal to 1 serving, you will get 50% of your daily needs of vitamin A. Apricots contain a balanced level of sugar, and also contain fiber that regulates sugar absorption. 5 apples. 1 apple contains only 77 calories and 21 grams of carbohydrates. Apples enhance the secretion of the hormone insulin from the pancreas, and the pectin in apples supports galacturonic acid, which supplies the body's need for insulin. Apples effectively regulate blood sugar levels. 6 oranges. Eat 1 orange a day to get your daily need of vitamin C. 1 orange contains 62 calories and 15 grams of carbohydrates. Orange helps maintain a balanced blood sugar level. Moreover, orange helps reduce excess weight. 7. Pear. The pear contains many vitamins and useful minerals such as iron, potassium and calcium, and the secret of its distinction for diabetics is that its sugar percentage is low despite its sweet taste, and the type of sugar is fructose, which is suitable for diabetics. 8. Kiwi. 1 kiwi fruit contains 56 calories, 13 grams of carbohydrates, and is rich in fiber that reduces harmful cholesterol in the body, and thus controls the level of sugar in the blood. Kiwi activates nerve cells and prevents the nerve inflammation that affects many diabetics.